Hello everyone, welcome back. The new WhatsApp feature Chat Lock. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock chat in WhatsApp in iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and as well as Android devices. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch App Store and update the WhatsApp app to a latest version. After update, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and once check the latest iOS version to check that launch settings, general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Now we are going to lock the chat in WhatsApp. Launch WhatsApp after update. Here you can select that you want to lock. I'm going to select this one. Now tap here, slightly scroll. Here you can see chat lock. Now enable chat lock. Touch ID, Face ID or passcode required. Now tap view. Here, now how we unhide or unlock the chat. When you slightly scroll, there you can see locked chat. We have to tap on it and use the Touch ID, Face ID or passcode that you can see the locked chat on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.